In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube videos not playing on your device. Let's get started. First, what you will need to do is check your internet connection. So launch settings, click on the option Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or else you can forget the network. You will first restart your router and then rejoin it. Next up, restart the YouTube app or the browser. On mobile, close the app completely and reopen it. On computer, refresh the page or close and reopen your browser. Likewise, check for the updates. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, disable extensions or VPN. For that, launch settings, click on the option General, click on VPN and device management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Likewise, if you have enabled any extensions, you can disable it. Likewise, restart your device. Completely turn it off, wait for a few minutes and again turn on. Also, you can check the server status of YouTube. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Untitled Chapter. Once you're on the website, search for YouTube. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. And that's it. Try these tips and you should be able to fix YouTube videos not playing on your device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.